This Mark II is having the rear end restored. These are Martin Roby panels that have been welded in place. The only problem with them is that all of the hole positions are wrong in the original panels, so you'll have to measure up with your bumper if you're doing this yourself, because if you have a look here, that's the original position of the holes that are provided in the Martin Roby panels, and this is where the holes have had to be relocated to. So don't follow the original holes in the panel, you have to measure everything up with the bumper in place to get it right, otherwise it'll be totally wrong. And the same here, these panels have had to have their holes re-drilled so that the mounting bracket for the bumper is in the right place. So don't take the Martin Roby panels as being correct. Similar with this profile here, that had to be beaten out, that's in the wrong place as well. That was a lot shorter in terms of here, so that had to be pushed out to allow for the bracket that sits on the top here that holds the bumper. So this one has had the Eustachian section where the Eustachian plate goes cut out, or whatever that panel's called. And that's going to be replaced. That's all pre-painted in zinc paint, so when all the panels go over the top, it's all rust proofed in effect. And the panel on this side won't be replaced because it's in good condition, just be repaired in the sections that are needed. And because this is a 240 model, the valance goes across here, it's welded down this edge, and the same on the other side. The rest of that panel is then pop riveted into place across the top. So all these brackets will have to be painted in advance because you can't get to them afterwards. And that's what it looks like underneath. So the end of the chassis rail had to be replaced as well, where it connects up to the panels. There's some minor rust holes that need to be plugged up. And all of this will need to be reinstated later across here. And this is a special part. Where the wheel arch has been extended, sort of Coon style, and then filled out. So that's done in metal. That'll be let back in, so that'll be a closing panel across there. So you can see how far out the holes were in the original panel. They've had to be relocated up to here to be in the right place. So you have to measure up with the bumper first to make sure you get it where it needs to be. So that's the panel that will go in there. be welded through where the holes are.